Nobody's moving in the winter is something that 99% of real estate agents are saying, especially right now in this marketplace. And I'm here to tell you that that is not true. I talked to a ton of people who are interested in getting into real estate, joining our team, that are brand new or super experienced. And this is something that I hear all the time, is this isn't a good time to get in the business. I'm gonna wait till rates come down to really start ramping up my business, and nobody's moving this year or in the winter. And I'm honestly quite tired of hearing it because it's just not true. So I've got a couple stats I want to pull up on my computer here and share. I posted this on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn and everywhere else a couple of weeks ago, but I wanted to share it with you here as well too. So over just the last 30 days, mind you, I'm filming this just a few days before Christmas, and we have gone on as a team 524 appointments just in the last 30 days, in probably the slowest 30 days of the entire year. So that means that we have gone on almost 10 appointments a day as a company, and how that breaks down for each individual agent is that means almost every agent is going on a tour or an appointment every single day. So most of our agents on our team are super busy. And I say most because some people are on vacation, some people are doing whatever, but what we have done as a company is put our head down and work. So 524 appointments really was only set because we had 828 conversations. For the record, in our CRM Follow Up Boss, a conversation is a phone call that's 2 minutes or longer. So these are real conversations that we're having. Now, how in the world do we do this? We have followed the process for the entire year, and we did not slow in the winter. That's it. Nothing sexy, nothing special. We are just continuing to do the work. I have two amazing quotes and a fun little story. Well, let me go back before I give you the quotes. Is those 524 appointments and 830 conversations has led to 18 deals going under contract and 11 deals closing just in this 30-day window. So there are people moving. You're just not talking to the people who are moving. If you're seeing this or if you're hearing it, that's what's actually happening. So here's kind of the quote. Is one of our agents, Jamie Andrews, she's our OG agent. She's been with the team longer than anybody. And she said this quote in an accountability group the other week. And it's very simple. And I think you can remember this. It's work works. That's it. Jamie has, in the last 30 days, 3 closings, 2 in escrow, 3 offers currently in negotiation, at least when I posted this, 2 active listings, and 3 listings ready to go for January. So this is an agent that has been following the process and trusting that work works all year long. And it really, in the last 6 to 7 months, her business has really taken off. And it started with all the work she put in last December and last January, when a lot of people weren't working, which is really similar to right now. I've got another quote for you from another agent that is newer to the business, and her quote in the same accountability, I think it was a different week, but in our accountability group that we do with our team, and she said, let me read this exactly. I refuse to participate in the slow season. I am hitting my goal. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. And she did exactly that. She did the same thing that Jamie was doing. This is Erin Aiken on our team, who's going to hit her goal this winter. Super stoked for her, and her consistency has been incredible all year long. She went on her vacation during the holidays, but right when she got back, she went right back to it. She didn't take off the whole month of November, the whole month of December, just because nobody's moving. So my whole point of sharing these 2 quotes, work works, and I refuse to participate in the market slowdown. I'm hitting my goals. I absolutely love those. These are 2 rock star agents that are crushing and are both gonna go into the next year having an incredible year. One thing that's also unique with these agents is that they have both been in an optional accountability group that I mentioned earlier that we started in our company this year. And it was something that when I started, I feel like I am a very high producing, a very self-accountable, I don't need a lot of accountability usually. And this is a group that I've been in as well too, participating alongside of our other agents. And I didn't realize how much I got out of this. I've got right here on my computer, my sticky note of the 3 commitments that I've made every single week to stick to. And I've kept them more often than not. And I'm not gonna lie, there's a few weeks where, because I knew I was gonna be sitting in an accountability group with other agents on our team, that I made sure I hit my commitments, because I certainly have to lead by example. So one of those is making more content. I absolutely made a commitment to make more content for agents in the marketplace, and this is part of it. So that accountability group even helped me go through and do the things that I know I need to do. And I'm sure this is not gonna be a shocker, but most of the agents that stuck with this level 10 accountability group all year long are all really busy, or they're really busy and they're hitting their goals from the beginning of the year. Cannot emphasize this enough. There is nothing pretty. There's nothing sexy about this. Doing the work works. Consistency is key in this business and any sales business. So if you're not hitting your goals, if you're not happy where you're ending, or if you're just getting into the business, right now is the time to start. I I would not recommend waiting until the beginning of the year. Don't wait till next week or next quarter or tomorrow. I would sit down right now and figure out the things that you need to do. Figure out what is your daily and weekly minimum accountability standard that you're gonna hit, and find an accountability partner, whether it's somebody on your team, somebody at your brokerage, maybe it's a friend, whatever it is, find somebody to help you stay accountable daily and weekly, not monthly, not quarterly, not yearly. This is something where you need to be consistent every day and every week. And that is how you have a record and a crushing year in real estate. My personal opinion, 2024 is going to be another year of two different types of agents. The one that is just like every other buyer, that is waiting for rates to drop. When they see rates drop, they'll start working. And the other agent who is just gonna put their blinders on and start doing the work because they know work works. That's this video. I hope you found this valuable and helpful. If you have any questions, you wanna reach out, my name is Stubbs. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.